Hello everyone. In this video we have to find x where x square minus x cube is 12 and we have to find the real solution of this equation. So first we rearrange the given equation. We can write it as x cube minus x square plus 12 is equal to 0. So taking all towards one side, we have written this. We can write it as x cube minus x square plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. And then we can write x cube minus x square plus 8 can be written as 2 cube and 4 can be written as 2 square, that is equal to 0. Rearranging the terms, we will get x cube plus 2 cube and plus, or you can write minus, taking minus common, minus x square plus 2 square is equal to 0. So we have very famous identity a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And the other famous identity is a square minus b square, which gives a plus b into a minus b. We will use these both identities over here. So first we write it as x cube plus 2 cube. Taking minus common, we will get x square minus 2 square, that is equal to 0. So from here we can write, by using this first identity, this one, we can write it as x plus 2 into x square minus ab mean 2x, and plus b square is 2 power 2, which is 4, minus, this will give x plus 2 into x minus 2, that is equal to 0. So in these both terms, x plus 2 is common. So x plus 2 is common factor. We can take it outside. Here we will have x square minus 2x plus 4, and this minus and x minus 2, minus x plus 2, that is equal to 0. So we will get x plus 2 into x square minus 2x and minus x is minus 3x, plus 4 and plus 2 is 6. So from here, either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So from here we can find x is equal to minus 2, and this is quadratic. We will use quadratic formula, which is, for which x is equal to minus b is here minus 3, so minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4 1 into 6 square root over 2 into 1. So x is equal to 3 plus minus 9 minus 24 square root over 2, which will be x is equal to 3 plus minus 15 plus minus 15 minus 15 over 2. So you can see that this is complex, so we will not consider it. The only real solution is x is equal to minus 2. That is the answer. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.